Hi, everyone. It's Miss Akvari in the library, and I wanted to share a book with you. It's called Supergifted. This is the sequel to the book Ungifted, which you may have read. It's been in our library for a few years. It's also, some of you may have read it for your Lit Circle option. And so in this book, Super Gifted, it continues the story of two of the characters from Ungifted, Noah and Donovan. And so you might remember Noah. I think Noah is a hilarious character because he is so brilliant, but he's also really, really unusual. And because he kind of takes things so literally and he's so smart, he sometimes misses out on some of the more basic things that a lot of us know, especially when it comes to relationships and friendships and how to talk to people. And so in Super Gifted, the plot is almost the opposite of Ungifted in a way. So in Ungifted, Donovan finds himself in this academy, this very fancy school for smart kids. And in Super Gifted, Noah manages to get himself sort of demoted or downgraded back into public school. And if you read Ungifted and you know how challenging it is for Noah to kind of interact with students, the idea of him going to a public school and having to fit in there really has Donovan concerned for his friend. And as the story goes along, as you might imagine, Noah makes some missteps, but he does manage to make some friends and he kind of lets some things go to his head. So he almost sort of changes his personality in some really funny ways. So if you like school stories, if you liked reading Ungifted, if you've read any other books by Gordon Corman, you know that he's really good at kind of funny and at the same time heartwarming, realistic books. The sequel to Ungifted, Super Gifted, might be a great book for you to read next.